Hey guys, so today we're doing a Funky Friday video again. And my mouse isn't working. It's between my keyboards, or you can hear me typing. I don't know if you can hear me typing, but I'm gonna have to change my keybinds. It may be because I have the keybinds. That's weird. I haven't plugged in my USB. Okay, let's just stop talking and getting our solo done. And if you guys don't know, please subscribe and like, cause it will support me so good. Thank you. And you know, I am sick, so I am hoping not to get a coronavirus because that's gonna be bad. This is gonna be okay. Okay. I am hoping my keyboards work now. And you guys know you don't trust me, so please trust me. And yeah. Okay, so here's some shout outs to the people from my recording 30. So the people that said give me some tips of the song, I'm going to make an intro, and I am going to edit this video. So yeah. It is like 11:01 a.m. in my country, North Carolina. So if you guys don't notice me from Funky King, so here it is, Funky King. I am watching some sort of weird videos that I don't recommend you guys. Okay, so here it is, Funky King, yeah. And I hope it's not gonna show up some weird things, because last time, yeah, it did. I'll put them in the link in the description, so let's get back.
Hello everybody.
Why are you guys always just blocking my way, and just don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. We're gonna do another solo. Okay. I'm gonna go on my favorites. Let's see what song can I choose for my favorites. What about I choose Cross, because I love Crossed a lot more better.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I'm doing good so far. My goal is to get 40,000. I mean, 40 million score. Hey, let's go. I'm doing this video for one of you guys and my friends. One of my friends, Lucas Jacob, enjoy my videos. They enjoy Beast Swarm a lot. My goal is to reach 100K on this rap. Yes, I did it, guys. This is my second time hitting 100,000, and I gained 8 points. So here's an update of Funky Friday. There's a Halloween themed, and what's new here on the board is a Halloween. I know we've seen this. A Lucky Boy. This. I don't know. I need to get the Lucky Boy animation and the that. And I am not gonna put on the death match because this is what I don't recommend. So deathmatch game mode can be toggled outside of matches. Both players must have it enabled to be active in game. So this is what happened to me. It actually resets it by itself. So I recommend you not using deathmatch. Okay. Comment down below what rap battles you recommend I'm doing. I love Infinite Drip.
3, 2, 1, go.
I don't know, but the screen might be blurred, so please ignore. Are you guys dripping? Because it literally just said Infinite Drip, so you guys might be dripped. No, I'm gonna break my score. No, okay, I break my score. Yes, I didn't. My goal is to hit 100K in this rap battle. And if I don't, I'm going to be so disappointed. No! Oh. I am disappointed now. Alright, this is the last one and then we're going to end the video. Oh, God. Oh my gosh. Okay, should I do Bandit or Blazeborn? I think I'm gonna choose Bandit.
3, 2, 1, go.
Early time. Oh, I'm so confused now. I recommend you choosing a speed 1.2 because that's the best speed I can hire in this Funky Friday thing. My goal is to reach 200K, and if I don't, I'm gonna be so disappointed. And what animation do you have in Funky Friday? Tell me in the comments. Okay, I'm thinking that I should reach my goal to 200K. Oh, so much bad. Well, that's not my favorite part. The lot of notes makes me kind of confused. It's because it has the most spam. People says that one has the most spams, which I don't like. I'm almost done with the video, guys. Okay guys, I might not be done with the video, so yeah guys, I'm going to pause you for a sec. OMG guys, here it is! OMG, I reached my goal guys! Yes, let's go! Bye guys.